Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Anna Simone. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Anna Simone. If you're new here, so today we're doing a luxury apartment tour, empty apartment tour, as y'all can see. So I just moved, so I want to give y'all an unfurnished tour before we get furnishing this spot. So let's get into the tour. We're gonna start at the door. Of course, we have this long door right here. I really like the color of this. It's like a slate gray, so it's super nice. And all the like hardware finishes are clear. What is this called? Silver metal in here. So when you first walk in, you see all of this, okay? So it's a lot of cabinets, a lot of space. They have a built-in wine little thing here, which is really cute. It's gonna be great, so I can display my liquor. And then we have, it's like a hidden kind of cabinet. So I put some pots and pans in here already, but it has about 4 levels in here, and it goes back really far, so it's gonna be great for all my snacks and stuff like that. There's one above it. I'm gonna put some more stuff up there. And then the top row is like all clear, as y'all can see. So if I want to put a cute vase or something like that, it's gonna be real cute. So right here, we have the fridge. Nothing in here. We just got here. But you know, just a basic fridge, nothing crazy. And come over here, we have the stove. I think this is gas. I don't know. Electric. It's electrical. Okay. This is electrical. And we have the oven right here, and of course the microwave right here. So also you have the deep sink, which I really like. It has 2 sides because I'm able to like dirty dishes, clean dishes, all that. So that's really nice. The backsplash on this is really cute. So it's like this kind of gray backsplash with tile, and then you have an underlight right here as well. And yeah, and a dishwasher. So as y'all can see, it's a lot of space. So I'm gonna back up and show y'all. Look at this. So we have all this room. The only thing about this is it doesn't have a, I can't think of the word. There's no island right here, so I really just have a lot of space to work with. So I'm gonna do a couch right here. I'm gonna mount a TV right here so you can move it. I'm gonna have one of the little mounts for that. And then, yeah, some chairs. I don't really know, it's just a lot of space. So I have a lot of room to like decorate and make it cute. So as y'all can see, the bedroom doors close like this. Well, okay, so the bedroom doors close like this, so they're sliding doors, which is really cute because like if I want to entertain and I want people to see my room, I can have it open. If I don't want nobody looking at my room, it's gonna be closed. So you can open them from the inside and the outside, so I really like that. So then you come this way, and you walk right in here to the bedroom. Anyway, this is the lighting in here right now, but this is the bedroom space. So I'm planning on putting my bed right here or by the window. I don't really know yet, but it's a really big window. I like how it's just so much like natural sunlight that I'm gonna have in here. So if you follow me this way, we have the closet. It's actually pretty big. Like I'm really surprised. A lot of apartments have like just 1 row of storage, but y'all know I got a lot of stuff. So I'm able to put all my stuff in here. I could put a little dresser in here if I wanted, for like, you know, undergarments, stuff like that. And yeah, so this is a lot of space, so I can definitely work with this closet. And if you come this way, from the opposite side, you can shut the door. You have 2 doors basically to enter the bedroom, so that's really cool. Right here, every unit comes with a washer and dryer, so that's really good because you don't have to buy that, so that saves a lot of money. We have that right here, and then this is just like the electrical unit storage one. So you walk directly into my bathroom. So on the first side, you're gonna see the mirror right here, which is really cute, super big, and then it has like this granite countertop detailing again. Like I said, everything is like silver, so my decorations are gonna have silver to match everything in here. You got the toilet, you know, and then I love the shower. Look at this, y'all. So we have a really big walk-in. You see it? I can look down. So you have the walk-in shower, and it's so cute. Like it has like this little backsplash detailing right here. So So it's really cute, little extra details, really like that. And it has one of those movable shower heads. So if you want to like get off and your stuff, you can do that. And then it has a bench back here. So yeah, that's good, you know, for us girls who need to shave. That's really good. So yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna show y'all the patio. And we'll go from there. Okay, y'all, so this is my patio. It's really big. It goes all the way over there. I'm not gonna show too much just for safety reasons, but it's really cute out here. So yeah, let's go over here. Alright y'all, so that wraps up the end of my little luxury unfurnished apartment tour. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Super grateful to even be in this position to get my own apartment. So shout out to me and God and y'all. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. This is not a vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this tour. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.
Hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not. Hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings.